I see the flowers.
Why don't you see if there's some pretend cream in the kitchen?
Oh.
Did you find some?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
In the teapot.
That's a good place for
I
it.
pour it on the bottom.
I did this off.
I don't know. These are hard to take off. Just pretend, okay? Just pretend.
I'm making sister.
A little bit of cream.
I need to stop it.
Okay, well here's a diaper. Pretend.
I need to stop it.
We don't have any real diapers.
Pretend like you got diapers.
It's a pretend diaper. You don't have any diapers. Oh, look what I found. I found lots of stuff.
Oh, my stuff.
Your stuff. Look, I found that.
It's your bottle.
And I found this.
I found cream.
Yeah.
Cream. Yeah.
This.